Hi there.
Okay,
Hi.
Yeah.
If you could just tell us some more details about the StudioBook.
Okay, yeah, sure. So I think I cannot let you like
Use the apps.
record the content because the content is not produced by us.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
but I could like tell you more about it.
Yeah, sure. If you could,
So
please.
we've just announced this laptop, StudioBook ProArt StudioBook One last week.
Okay.
And so we claim this is the most graphically powerful laptop because it is the first and only laptop in the world with RTX 6000 GPU. So with this GPU, that when you do the real tracing compared to previous generation, the real-time ray tracing is more real-time, like reflect in real time.
Gotcha.
And the reflection, the shadow, the texture that reflected on the screen is very close to the reality. So that's one point. And another point is when you do the 8K video or editing, that it will be much more smoother than the previous generation.
Gotcha.
The thing is, it's ready for data science usage, but what I'd say is it's ready because nowadays the data science applications mostly are supporting other operation platforms instead of Windows. So technically we are hardware ready for that, but we're just waiting for the operating system change for the application.
Okay.
So yeah, this is in terms of performance. So second thing, we have a very special design on the thermal part. So compared to like the typical laptop, we place the CPU, GPU, and also the thermal module behind the panel. So you can see CPU, GPU, and the thermal module will be here.
And there's a slight gap as well, right?
Yeah.
Ventilation.
Yeah. So as you can see, when you open the laptop, the gap here will be open as well. And then, so this is for the cool air inflow. So we can have the cool air inflow to make the thermal operation better. And then you can see a gap just behind the panel here. This is for
right, I didn't notice that. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this is for the hot air outflow. So this is like a circulation from below to the top. Like usually the hot air will go outwards, right? So that's why we have this kind of design. So this is one thing. And inside the thermal section, we use the titanium alloy to design to make the heat sink.
Okay, so no fans or anything like that?
Yeah, we have fan, but like the highlight of the thermal module will be the material.
Right.
Where we use titanium alloy to make that. So
Gotcha.
The heat like will be vibrated more easily. Yeah, so that that's one thing. So the third thing is about the panel. Like the display, we are using 4K UHD, and it is panel validated. The color accuracy is delta is more than 1. So it gives you the absolute color accuracy. Yeah.
Wow.
So I think this pretty much sum up the highlights of this.
Excellent. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Just to quickly show the actual laptop itself. It's quite a thick design on the screen. Obviously all the components are in there, and the keyboard itself is very thin. Excellent design to it, and keys themselves feel very nice and comfortable on there, and a large trackpad, as you can see. It's very nice, and ultra 4K screen on there.